Here is Sketch AI app, quite interesting app in the top charts. Bring your drawings to life, literally unleash your imagination with Sketch Monster Maker, the revolutionary app that turns your hand-drawn monster into high-fidelity animated 3D creatures. And then you can move them to AR. So this is the app specifically built for for the movie. So pretty cool way to market the movie. And then you can just see here. And then you can see just as an example, and then you can see animated. So either you want to create a monster, so you just need to take a photo of your monster when you're drawing it, and that's basically then it will be animated, and then you can watch trailers, and you can create your account. So yeah, pretty cool. So that's the app.